Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how the channel select button works on the new style Samsung remote control. The TV here is a Samsung 7 Series 65 inch. So you can actually do quite a few different things just with this one button here. So if we were to move it upwards, then it's going to go up through the channels. You can see it going up there. And if we move it downwards, it's going to go down through the channels. If you want to do that quickly, we can hold it in the upwards position and it will whiz through them there. And we can go and hold them downwards and it will go through the channels there. If we were to tap it in, it's going to bring up the guide. So that's useful. Tap it again and it's going to exit the guide. If we hold it down, it's going to bring up the channel list. So hold it down for about 3 or 4 seconds and it will bring up the list here. So that's it. The one button does quite a few features. Thanks for watching.